Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Fallout tabletop role-playing game. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started in the post-apocalyptic wasteland. First, we'll dive into creating your unique character, focusing on the iconic special system. Then, we'll explore how skills and perks allow you to customize your survivor. Finally, we'll discuss the basics of gameplay, including combat and exploration, ensuring you're ready for adventure. Character creation begins with the special system, which stands for strength, perception, endurance, charisma, intelligence, agility, and luck. You'll distribute points among these 7 attributes, typically ranging from 1 to 10, to define your character's fundamental strengths and weaknesses. For example, a high strength score means you hit harder in melee and carry more gear, while high perception improves your accuracy with ranged weapons and your ability to spot hidden dangers. Beyond your core attributes, skills and perks truly define your character's capabilities. Skills, such as athletics, medicine, or science, are rated from 0 to 6 and are added to your attribute tests, making you more proficient in specific areas. Perks are special abilities that provide unique advantages, like improved combat prowess or better scavenging. You typically gain 1 perk every few levels, allowing for significant customization as your character grows and adapts to the wasteland. Gameplay in the Fallout TTRPG revolves around using a 20-sided die for nearly all skill and combat tests. When facing challenges, you'll roll the die, add your relevant attribute and skill, and try to beat a target number. Combat is tactical, utilizing action points for movement, attacks, and other maneuvers. A natural roll of 20 on the die often results in a critical hit, dealing devastating extra damage. Your adventures will involve exploring dangerous ruins, completing quests, and surviving the many threats of the wasteland.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.